Good morning, students. Good morning. Okay, good morning, everyone. So, today we will try to understand another situation. Yesterday, we discussed one situation कि जहां पर bills of exchange was held till maturity. Held का मतलब है retained. Retain का मतलब है अपने पास रखना. सो क्रेडिटर ने वो बिल अपने पास ही रखा था. Okay, so yesterday we had discussed that situation. So, bill was held by the creditor till maturity. Creditor ने bill अपने पास रखा था. So now let's do one thing. इसके related एक question हम solve करते हैं so that you will be able to understand this concept properly. So you all are supposed to be ready with your textbook. And you need to open one page which I am suggesting to you. So in bills of exchange we have the questions on page number 16.35. Page number 16.35, and we have question number 2. And let us try to understand the question. Uh, Here, can you please read this question? Question number 2.
On 10th March 2019, draws on B a bill at 3 months for rupees 20,000, which B accepts immediately and returns to A. The bill is honored on due date. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of both the parties.
Okay. So look here, it is written A draws on B. So who is the creditor here? Who is the drawer here? Hello. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ड्रोवर कौन है, ड्रोवी कौन है, क्रेडिटर कौन है, डेटर कौन है, ये क्लियर होना चाहिए. तो ए ड्रोस ऑन बी. तो वो इज द ड्रोवर, वो इज द क्रेडिटर, वो इज द मेकर ऑफ बिल.
A.
ए. यस. ओके, चैट बॉक्स में काफी स्टूडेंट्स क्या है कि चैट बॉक्स को यूज नहीं करते हैं. तो प्लीज आइदर यू स्पीक और यू मेंशन इन द चैट बॉक्स, सो इट विल बी अ लाइव क्लास. So A draws on B. So A is the creditor. A has drawn bill on B and B has accepted. It means B is drovee. B is debtor because he has accepted. So now you are supposed to pass the journal entries. So you need to pass journal entries in the books of both the parties. So my request is that you prepare one format. You need actually 2 pages. Okay, so you need to uh, prepare the format and you need 2 pages. Okay, let us solve this question together. So either you can take left side and right side. It's advisable take the left side and right side of your book. So on the left side, you will pass journal entries in the books of drawer. So you will prepare the format of journal on both the sides. If date is not given, we can use serial number. So here I have prepared the format. And my system is set that I will use left side for creditor. So I will write journal of Mr. A. Mr. A is drawer or creditor. And on right hand side, you will write journal of Mr. B. Who is Mr. B? Drovee or the dater. So I'm not writing date particulars and all, which you can easily write by yourself. So here, on 10th March, A draws on B. So on 10th March 2019, A draws a bill. उसकी कोई एंट्री नहीं होगी, बट बी एक्सेप्ट्स एंड इमीडिएटली रिटर्न्स टू ए. ये पूरा एक ही ट्रांजेक्शन है. तो ए इज रिसीविंग व्हाट? Bills receivable. A is receiving bills receivable. So bills receivable account debit. 2. Who is the giver? Mr. B's account. What is the amount? 20,000. So yesterday I discussed the format जिसमें पहला था buy या sell की एंट्री, but in this question buy या sell की डिटेल्स नहीं दी है, तो वी हैव नॉट पास दैट एंट्री. ओके, इट्स वेरी इजी. बिल की ही एंट्री डायरेक्टली पास की है. देन ऑन द सेम डेट 10 March 2019, मुझे बताओ बी हैज एक्सेप्टेड द बिल. व्हाट एंट्री शुड बी पास्ड बाय मिस्टर बी?
Mr. A to bills payable.
Yes, A's account debit to bills payable account. Absolutely correct. So it will be Mr. A's account debit to bills payable account 20,000. Okay, so I hope this one is clear. Now they have written the next line. The bill is honored on due date. So what is the due date? Bill is for 3 months. 3 months and 3 days should be added and you will get the due date. So what should be the due date? March में 3 months add करो तो it will be
13th June.
Yes, June. And 10 में 3 days
13th.
of grace. So it will become 13th. Very good. So 13 June 2019, bill is honored. I'm writing here, just for your understanding purpose, this is the entry for honoring of bill. So when bill is honored, money is received by the creditor. So he is receiving cash. And what is going out of his hand? Bills receivable is going out of his hands. So entry is cash is coming, cash debit, bills receivable is going, so it is credit. On the same date, on 13th June 2019, from the point of view of drovee or dater is making the payment, so cash is going out of his pocket, cash account credit. But now question is, which account should be debited?
Bills payable.
Yes, bills payable account should be debited. So it's a very easy chapter. So bills payable account debit because now it is paid, liability needs to be cancelled. That was done. So this completes our question number one. Sorry, question number two. So this was a very easy question. Question number three is involving GST, and as I told you, okay, all these GST transactions I will cover later on. Acha, another question I will select where there is dishonor. Okay, sometimes there is a dishonor of bill. So let us discuss such question of dishonor. So I request you to solve question number 14. So now we will solve question number 14. Page number 16.37, question number 14. Okay. Now, let me ask Caro, can you please read question number 14th?
Yes, sir.
Please. Please pay attention in question 14th. Yes, Caro.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Question 14. On 20th March 2019, Naresh sold goods to Kailash to the value of 1250, taking a bill at 3 months for the amount. On maturity, the bill was dishonored. Naresh paid rupees 10 as noting charges. On 1 July, Kailash cleared his account by paying 1260. Make the entries in the books of both the parties to record the above transaction.
Okay. So first of all, who is the creditor here? Who is the creditor?
Naresh.
Kailash.
Naresh. Okay, Naresh sold goods. So again, prepare the format on left hand side. Journal of Mr. Naresh. Naresh is the creditor. He has prepared the bill, so he is drawer. And on right hand side, I will follow the system to make journal entries of drovee. Here, buyer or dater is Kailash. Kailash is accepting the bill. He is the dater, he is drovee. So first of all, on 20 March, there was one transaction of buy and sell. Naresh sold goods to Kailash. When goods are sold on credit, क्या एंट्री होनी चाहिए?
Account debited to sales account.
Yes. Debit the dater, Kailash account debit, buyer's account debit to sales account. So goods are sold for 1250. And on the same date, on 20 March 2019, goods are purchased by Kailash. So when there is purchase, credit purchase, so which account should be credited?
Account. Creditor's account.
Yes. And here I will credit Naresh account. Naresh is the creditor. Amount is 1250. So I hope this thing is absolutely clear in your mind. Now, then it is mentioned that taking a bill at 3 months for the amount. So Naresh has taken a bill. So if no date is given, generally it is the same date. जिस दिन सेल किया है उसी दिन हम बिल लेंगे. So for Naresh, he is receiving the signed bills of exchange. So उसके लिए वो है bills receivable. So bills receivable account debit 2. Now Kailash is no more debtor because already we have created another asset. तो कैलाश को छोड़ दो. It means कैलाश का account 0 कर दो, because we have created another asset, bills receivable. So that's easy. And on 20 March, Drovi will create liability, another liability. So वो क्या करेगा, नरेश क्रेडिटर को कैंसिल कर देगा. So now liability is transferred. नरेश की liability cancel हो गई है and it will be transferred to which account? Bills payable account 1250. So I hope this journal entry is also clear to you. And now it was mentioned that on maturity the bill was dishonored. So we need to be able to pass journal entry for dishonor. So this is a different situation. This is the situation of dishonored. So I am extending the format and try to visualize. First of all, decide what should be the due date.
23rd June 2019.
Yes, it's very easy. 20 day may add 3 days, so it will become 23. And if bill is of 3 months, तो मार्च में 3 ऐड कर दो, 3 का 6 हो जाएगा. So 23rd June 2019. So this is important because this is for dishonor. So when there is dishonor, Naresh को गुस्सा आएगा. Naresh will debit whose account?
Kailash.
Yes. So whenever there is a dishonor, एक चीज क्लियर है, क्रेडिटर हमेशा डेबिट करेगा डेटर को. So कैलाश का अकाउंट डेबिट. 2, what will go out of his hands? कौन सी चीज, कौन सा एसेट कैंसिल होगा?
Bills receivable.
Yes, bills receivable will be cancelled. And there is one thing, Naresh paid 10 as noting charges. I told you yesterday, whenever there is dishonor, this should be recorded in the books of notary. So this money must be paid by the creditor. Okay, the person who is presenting the bill will pay noting charges. So that's 10 rupees. Bill तो था 1250 का. तो कैलाश is responsible for this noting charges. तो कैलाश का account should be debited with noting charges. Okay, along with 1260. Okay, so the person who is presenting the bill for payment, यानी यहाँ पर ड्रोवर का नरेश के पास ही बिल था, तो कैलाश से पैसे मांगने के लिए नरेश गया होगा, तो नरेश को नोटिंग चार्जेस पे करने पड़ेंगे. Okay, then 23rd June 2019 on dishonor. Now इसी की रिवर्स एंट्री. ओके, नरेश ने कैलाश को डेबिट किया था, तो कैलाश नरेश को क्या करेगा? क्रेडिट. Same amount 1260. Okay, now bills payable. Now liability is to be cancelled. बिकॉज अब वो बिल की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, ड्यू डेट पे बिल हमेशा कैंसिल होगा क्योंकि उसकी तारीख आ चुकी है।
Due date पे बिल हमेशा cancel होगा.
यस, तो बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट शुड बी डेबिटेड, बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट डेबिट 1250. So now this 10 rupees is the expense for Drovi. He is responsible. उसकी वजह से ये खर्चा हुआ है. तो noting charges. Yes. So noting charges account should be debited. So I feel that it's a very easy chapter. Okay. You can easily understand these entries logically. And what I'm doing, they have given questions in a very different order. So I'm modifying that order so that you can understand the concept. But another thing is mentioned here that Kailash has become a good person and he has cleared his account. He has paid 1260 on which date?
1st July.
1st July. So on 1st of July, Mr. Naresh is happy. उसके लिए लक्ष्मी जी का आगमन हुआ है. ओके, कैश इज कमिंग इन एंड नाउ वो किसको छोड़ देगा? कैलाश को छोड़ देगा बिकॉज ही हैज रिसीव्ड द मनी. सो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैलाश अकाउंट. And on the same date, on 1st of July 2019, in case of Kailash, money is going out. So to cash 1260. And now he will cancel Naresh account because liability is paid. 1260. So I feel this transaction is also clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this situation was about dishonor. Now there is one homework for you. As a homework, you will have to solve. Just a minute, I need to go through the question. Okay, question number 15. Question number 15 is very easy. You can easily pass journal entries about this. Okay, question number 15 is of this type.
Okay,
And
sir.
question number 15 is compulsory. Okay, but another question, question number 13 is optional. Optional means if you wish, अगर extra practice करनी है तो आप solve कर सकते हो. So this is the situation where bill is retained or held by the debtor. Now we will learn new concept. So this is, I can say, situation number 2. Situation number 2. Now here what is happening? Bill is discounted by drawer with a bank. अब चले समझते हैं what is discounted or what is discounting of bill. Discounting of a bill means receiving immediate payment. अब आप सोचो कि सर immediate payment बैंक उसको क्यों करेगी? तो my question to you is कि for example if bill is of 10,000, okay, and bill will mature after 3 months, 3 महीने के बाद पैसे मिलने वाले हैं. तो my question to you is कि बैंक अगर ये बिल अपने पास रख देती है, बैंक परचेज कर लेती है ये बिल, तो क्या बैंक पूरा 10,000 पे करेगी या थोड़ा कम पे करेगी? bank is for profit. Less than 10,000. Yes. Okay. So receiving immediate payment from bank for lower amount, or I can say after deducting bank charges, or we can say after deducting charges. So these particular charges are called discounting charges. These charges are called discounting charges. Or basically discounting charges are nothing but interest earned by bank, or we can say कि interest actually indirectly paid by the drawer, क्योंकि उसको पैसे जल्दी मिल गए. It is as good as कि उसने बैंक से लोन लिया. It is like that. So it is similar to interest, but it is called discounting charges. So let us understand what should be the journal entry in this situation in case of both the persons. So again, you need to pass the format of journal entries. Even in single page this will do. आपको तो सिर्फ entries ही लिखनी है. So now first entry about buy or sell remains the same. Second entry is about receiving bill of exchange. This entry also remains the same. You already know हमने आगे ये entry सीख ली है. So these two are common entries. उसके पास bill आ गया है. Okay. We are in the books of drawer. या एक काम करते हैं, receiving bill की entry में फिर से लिख देता हूँ. So when bill is received, what entry is passed by drawer? So bills receivable debit to किसका account? Dators का account. Okay. Now यहाँ पर entry remains the same. It is buy. Okay. Drawer के लिए entry will be for sell. And here it is for accepting a bill. So already we know this entry. When bill is accepted, what entry dator will pass? Hello.
Creditors account debited to bills payable account.
Yes, creditors account debit to bills payable account. So these entries remain the same. But now third journal entry is going to be very important. आपको यहाँ पर खास ध्यान देना है. Third is about discounting of bill. So when I say discounting of bill, drawer ने क्या किया? 10,000 का बिल था. ड्रोवर गया बैंक के पास एंड ड्रोवर ने बैंक को कहा कि ये बिल आप ही रख लो. आफ्टर 3 months whatever amount 10,000 you will receive, you directly collect from the debtor, but I am in need of money, मुझे अभी पैसे दे दो. तो बैंक कहेगा ठीक है लेकिन अभी मैं 9,000 ही पे करूंगा. तो उसने कहा ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर के you can write cash or bank account debit. It depends on the bank. काफी बार ज्यादातर बैंक से ही पैसे मिलते हैं, but cash is actually गुड टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. सो कैश और बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, बैंक ने 10,000 के बिल के बदले में एक्चुअली में कितना पे किया? 9,000. सो नाउ 1,000 जो बैंक ने कम पे किया, that is debited in one special account. It is discounting charges account. Why it is debited? Because it is the expense. ड्रोवर को खर्चा हुआ है, 10,000 का बिल बेच दिया है बैंक को 9,000 में, so it is the expense. So what is going out of his hand? उसने बैंक को क्या दे दिया है? बिल्स रिसीवेबल दे दिया है, एंड इट वाज ऑफ 10,000. Okay, so try to understand. Discounting of a bill is a financial arrangement. जो बिल 3 months के बाद मिलने वाला था, वो बिल आपने बैंक को अभी दे दिया एंड इमीडिएटली पैसे मिल गए, बट बैंक हैज गिवन यू लोअर अमाउंट बिकॉज बैंक ने एज गुड एज आपको लोन दिया है. ओके, सो बैंक ने आपको 9,000 का लोन दिया है, बट बैंक विल गेट 10,000 ऑन ड्यू डेट आफ्टर 3 months. तो बैंक के लिए 1,000 इज द इनकम. सो इट इज एज गुड एज इंटरेस्ट इनकम फॉर बैंक. बैंक के लिए इंटरेस्ट इनकम है, बट हमारे लिए इट इज डिस्काउंटिंग चार्जेस. सो आई होप दिस कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर. ओके, नाउ माय क्वेश्चन to you is, what journal entry should be passed by dater?
General entry.
No journal entry. क्योंकि यहां पर ये मैटर किन दो पार्टीज के बीच में है? It is between ड्रोवर एंड बैंक. सो उन दोनों के बीच का मैटर है. ड्रोवी को कोई लेना देना नहीं है कि बिल डिस्काउंटिंग करवाया नहीं करवाया. ओके, ड्रोवी इज नॉट कंसर्न. ड्रोवी के पास जो बिल लेकर आएगा वो उसे पैसे देगा. दिस इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज. सो नो एंट्री व्हेन इट इज डिस्काउंटेड. अब फोर्थ सिचुएशन, ऑन ड्यू डेट. On due date, there might be two situation. दो बातें हो सकती है. If you are lucky, if creditor is lucky, then what can happen? Bill is honored. Okay. So if bill is honored, then what journal entry will be passed by ड्रोवर? देखो ड्यू डेट पे क्या होगा, बिल तो था बैंक के पास, बैंक जाएगा डेटर के पास और बैंक डेटर से पैसे ले लेगा. तो हियर आई कैन से नो जर्नल एंट्री इफ बिल इज ऑनर्ड. ऐसा क्यों? कोई मुझे बताएगा रीजन?
सर थोड़ा सा स्क्रॉल अप करो ना.
हाँ. Can somebody tell me why there will be no journal entry when bill is honored and it was discounted? ड्रोवर कोई एंट्री पास नहीं करेगा, ऐसा क्यों?
Sir, because cash
ओके, वॉइस ब्रेक हो
which will
रही
be
है.
paid by the drawee is to the bank.
Yes, it is between ड्रोवी एंड बैंक. ये ड्रोवी एंड बैंक का मामला है. उसने तो ऑलरेडी बिल दे दिया बैंक को, अब जो भी हो वो बैंक जाने. ओके, सो बिल इज ऑलरेडी गिवन बाय ड्रोवर टू बैंक. अब बैंक और ड्रोवी के बीच का मामला है. ड्रोवी ने बैंक को पैसे दे दिए, सो ड्रोवर को कोई उससे लेना देना नहीं है. सो दैट्स वेरी इजी. एंड हियर इफ बिल इज ऑनर्ड, then what entry will be passed? This entry remains the same. पहले जो एंट्री पास की थी वही एंट्री यहां पर पास होगी. So Shivans, I was not able to understand because voice was cracking. right now what is happening, I am using mobile internet, my broadband is not getting connected, it is not working, so I could not hear. इसलिए कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को प्रॉब्लम भी होता है शायद, बट यू नो therefore I am uploading on YouTube. So fourth में entry remains the same. On due date one thing is very clear, एक चीज ड्रोवी हमेशा कैंसिल करेगा, वो क्या है?
Bills payable.
बिल्स पेएबल. बिल्स पेएबल अब उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है, ड्यू डेट पे वो कैंसिल ही करना है. एंड व्हेन इट इज ऑनर्ड, यू टेल मी, वो क्या करेगा? पैसे पे कर देगा. बिल्स पेएबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज अनदर सिचुएशन?
Dishonored.
बिल इज डिसऑनर्ड. अब इफ बिल इज डिसऑनर्ड तो ड्रोवर ये नहीं बोल सकता बैंक को कि भाई ये आप और ड्रोवी जाने, मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा. ऐसा नहीं है, बैंक्स आर प्रोफेशनल. बिल ड्रोवर ने, क्रेडिटर ने ही दिया था, ये वो बिल में दम नहीं था. अगर पैसे नहीं मिले तो बैंक वसूल कर लेगा पैसे. किससे? क्रेडिटर से. सो इन केस ऑफ ड्रोवर, यानी क्रेडिटर के लिए क्या होगा? क्रेडिटर किसके पास से पैसे वसूल करेगा? डेटर के पास से. सो व्हाट क्रेडिटर विल डू, डेटर का अकाउंट डेबिट कर देगा. ओके, एंड बैंक का अकाउंट क्रेडिट कर देगा. एंड यहां पर एक चीज याद रखनी है, दिस विल बी फॉर बिल का अमाउंट प्लस व्हाट? डिसऑनर में कौन से चार्जेस होते हैं?
Notary charges.
Noting.
Yes.
Noting charges.
Yes, notary charges, noting charges. So please note, बैंक नोटिंग करवाएगा. बैंक गया था ड्रोवी के पास, ड्रोवी ने पैसे नहीं दिए, तो बैंक विल पे नोटिंग चार्जेस और बैंक वसूल कर लेगा. बैंक क्रेडिटर के बैंक अकाउंट से ही पैसे डिडक्ट कर लेगा. तो प्लीज नोट, जनरली क्रेडिटर जो डिस्काउंटिंग करवाते हैं उनका बैंक अकाउंट होता है. तो अगर बिल डिसऑनर्ड हुआ तो बैंक विल रिकवर मनी डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द क्रेडिटर. सो क्रेडिटर की सिचुएशन ऐसी हो गई, डेटर से पैसे लेने हैं और बैंक को पे कर दिए हैं. बैंक को इमीडिएटली पे कर दिया है, बट डेटर से वो वसूल किया जाना बाकी है अलोंग विथ नोटिंग चार्जेस. सो दिस एंट्री शुड बी रिमेंबर्ड. एंड हियर इन दिस सिचुएशन व्हाट डू यू फील? ये एंट्री भी सेम होगी. इन केस ऑफ ड्रोवी, डिसऑनर्ड की एंट्री हमेशा सेम होती है. एक चीज हमेशा क्लियर है, बिल्स पेएबल हैज टू बी कैंसल्ड हमेशा, क्योंकि ड्यू डेट पर बिल्स कैंसल ही होगा. इट इज ऑफ नो यूज, पैसे डिसऑनर्ड हो या डिसऑनर्ड हो, बिल्स तो कैंसल होगा. नाउ अनदर थिंग, एडिशनली क्या खर्चा है फॉर द ड्रोवी? नोटिंग चार्जेस. And credit will go to which person?
Creditor.
Creditor.
Okay, so creditor or drawer account needs to be credited. So entries are very logical, and I hope you are able to understand the situation properly. So tomorrow we will solve honor wale question and dishonor wale question. Okay, based on this
Sir, on
concept.
Monday.
Why on Monday? हाँ, okay, today is Friday. Yes, on Monday, and then we will have sessions for revision. Okay, चलिए, bye bye, take care, enjoy your day.
Bye.
Bye.